Hello, this is Jeff Rowe with MCAD Cafe, and we're at SolidWorks World this week. And joining me this afternoon is Linda Loke of Dassault Systems Spatial. That's a brand of Dassault Systems. And I want to thank you very much for joining us today, Linda.
Thank you for having me, Jeff. I'm excited to be here.
Can you give our viewers a little overview of what Spatial does and what it's all about?
Sure. Spatial, as part of the Dassault brand, sells software components or software toolkits, also known as SDKs, to other software companies. So we help take care of a lot of the infrastructure, so core modeling, visualization, data interoperability, so that our customers can then focus on solving the really hard problems.
Okay. Now, what is the significance of Spatial being here at SolidWorks World?
For Spatial, the significance this year is SolidWorks' introduction of 3D interconnect, and that ability to work with any type of CAD data, be it PTC, Creo, Inventor, and so on. And be able to bring that in and do the interactive design, automatic updates, recognition of the changes of those models. And the technology underneath is Spatial's 3D interop product portfolio. And so SolidWorks has taken advantage of that to build the product. So,
3D interconnect is a huge deal. It's gotten a lot of notoriety, and for good reason, because what you're doing has been attempted by many, many companies, but you guys have really solved it, and it looks like you have done wonderful things with it.
We're very excited about it. You can see the power for SolidWorks end users, and this is the type of capability that our other customers or others who want to try and do similar things can really benefit. If you think of analysis, you want to know when the CAD model is changed and where it's changed, so you don't have to reapply all the loads on your model because there was a small change. So that power to identify locally what's different is going to help everyone.
Right. I've talked to several of the partners here on the solution partners on the floor here, and a lot of them are very excited about this 3D interconnect capability because it's going to make their jobs easier. And when I say other partners, like in computer-aided manufacturing, simulation, and they are really jazzed about it, and for good reason.
Right, and we are too, and it's just the beginning of what can be possible. I mean, SolidWorks has done a phenomenal job. Monica talks about powered by. This is an example of being powered by. So it's powered by the spatial components, but it's really about the power to the end user.
Well, it's no secret that Spatial's been around a long time, and it really, with all the things you've done, especially recently, you've got a really bright future ahead of you.
Thanks. We're excited. We've been going through a lot of change. We've talked a lot about our 3D interoperability, but we have other products in the portfolio. Of course, we're known for modeling. Both ASIS and CGM, the modeler behind CATIA. But recently we had brought out what we call CGM Polyhedra, which is polygonal modeling, and the technology comes out of the 3D Experience platform. So combining that with the traditional modeling and interoperability, it gives a solid platform for ISVs to be able to develop on top of.
Well, excellent. So for our viewers that want to get more information about Spatial, where would they go?
The best and fastest way is to go to www.spatial.com and visit our website. There's lots of information, and you can always contact us through there.
Well, Linda, thank you very much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.